So our journey started probably last April when we decided that we were going to invest in an electric car. Partly because my wife, who works for the NHS, there's a very attractive electric car scheme that we wanted to look into. So we chose our Tesla in April. It was delivered late May, and we were then faced with the question of how we were going to maintain it, charge it, and to get the sort of, I suppose, the economical benefits that come from that. And that's when we were referred to Tom at Vanadium, who duly came out and did a site visit and soon identified, I suppose, that we were using a huge amount of electricity throughout our house. We've got a swimming pool with a pump, got underfloor heating, got electric gates, we've got children that charge every type of Apple device you can imagine. And Tom said, suggested and put together a proposal that we could invest in solar panel, a Tesla charging station and charging wall that would ultimately deliver a much more economical outfit for our power usage. Tom put the proposal together, we looked at it, reviewed it and agreed it. And I think it was probably in June that the team came out, scaffolding was put up. We agreed on where the solar panels were going to be put on the various roofs to try and optimize the sunrise and sunset. And the charging stations went in, the Powerwall went in, all the solar panels were put in efficiently, professionally. There's no damage done to the house, removing of tiles and putting back of tiles. So it was a really slick and efficient investment and installation. I think taking that leap of faith and working with a company like Vanadium has been incredibly reassuring, and the delivery, the professionalism, and the follow-up. There was a few complications, let's say, as we were trying to get used to the apps and the system and the octopus rates. But Tom was always very reactive and came back to us and tried to solve it, as did the other guys at Vanadium. So I couldn't recommend it enough as a company, and also couldn't recommend it enough doing what we've done.